I'm here, the man in the hat. Here you go. So today I want to talk to you about ZippoPay. This is a new product that came out that really is very different than what I usually see around. It's designed to make you go viral with whatever product you want to sell, and to build up a list. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about ZippoPay and let's roll the intro. Okay, so here's the sales page for ZippoPay. Before I get into that, though, a couple of quick housekeeping notes. If you are new to the channel, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere I go, and I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. And here on the channel, I do two things. I provide free training on affiliate marketing and making money online, as well as doing reviews of software and info products so that you don't have to. If you are new to the channel, please go and smash the subscribe button down below here. It's going to be over to the left, I guess, somewhere down there. You'll see it. Hit the bell button, hit the bell icon as well, so you'll be notified when I drop new videos, which happens very, very often. I do them constantly, just like this one. And if I like the product at the end of the review, I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't like the product, well, better luck next time. So let's get right into this. Here is the sales page for ZippoPay. Okay, $730 in revenue. And let's see, patent pending cloud-based software. It is cloud-based. I don't know if it's really patent pending or not. I guess they do have the form. So okay, up to 148 emails. I can tell you this stuff really is true. Definitely a very, very powerful system here. And I'm going to show you in just a moment exactly what you're going to be getting inside of ZippoPay. But before I do that, let me show you what you're going to be getting as my custom bonus for ZippoPay. So I give you this. This is my business success, my online success membership site. And so I have courses here from Paul Counts on traffic, on digital products and sales funnels. There's other courses from other online marketers. There's also a course that I put together with Stephen Alvey. And Stephen and Paul are some of the biggest names in the industry. You're going to get this whole thing. I usually sell for $97. You're getting it for free as my gift to you when you pick up ZippoPay. So you can really dig yourself into it and really start building yourself a major business out of this. So that said, let's get talking about ZippoPay. Let's take a quick look over here at the inner workings of ZippoPay. So what exactly does it do for you? So basically it does two things. It'll get you more leads and it'll get you more sales. So how does it do that? Simple. When you buy ZippoPay, you're going to get one product included for free. This is called Dumb Little Cash Makers. Okay. And what you can do is like this. You can actually change any details here that you want. They don't recommend changing it for the done for you stuff. They recommend changing it only for the new stuff, but you can change whatever you want here. Okay, and basically you'll get ads. They also give you some training on how to generate traffic, which is nice. Both free and paid traffic. So, and you can also see the stats over here, how many people have checked out. And I have a tiny list, so it sounds like I've done a lot of stuff. Okay, I've had 21 people already sign up for this thing and get onto my email list. So how does it work? So what they do is like this. Basically, when somebody visits the sales page for this product or any product that you have inside of ZippoPay, they get two different options. Option number one is that they pay whatever this fee is that you're charging here. Option number two is that they can pay with ZippoPay, which is free, but they have to refer 3 friends in order to get in. And so that's the really cool thing that I love about ZippoPay. Basically, you're either going to get paid or you're going to get more subscribers onto your email list. Okay, so it's designed specifically to go viral because people have to share it in order to be able to get in. And people do it very often. As you can see, I actually got 21 subscribers, and I have a tiny list. Like 200 people. So like 10% of my list came off of this one thing. So it's definitely a worthwhile investment. It's relatively easy to use. I think the only thing I really don't like about ZippoPay, if I'm being perfectly blunt, is that when people check out with ZippoPay, it's a little bit complex to figure out how to actually do it. I'd like it to be a little bit simpler, just so that people don't have to worry about it. There are a couple of upgrades to ZippoPay also. I did purchase one of the upgrades, which is the Done For You package. You get a monthly package of Done For You ZippoPay products. I haven't really used these at all, to be perfectly honest, and I really should be using them. Because these are some nice products. And I have them for free. All I have to do is put them out there and start making money off of them. So anyway, but that's another thing to do. But basically, it works, and it works quite well, actually. So definitely something to take a look at. Not a whole lot to say about it, because they do give you a few upgrades here. I don't know how many they're going to give you right now, but honestly, I don't really care much about the upgrades. What I do care about is, you get to see the actual products, and basically it works. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to promote your link. They do offer you several. In the training section, you'll see that they are going to give you some information about how to get more traffic to these offers. I think that the stuff that Paul Counts talks about in My Bonus is probably better quality than what you're going to get here, but you definitely do get some information here as well. So that's pretty much what I have to say about ZippoPay, and let's see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creator. Hat to the product creator, you bet I am. Okay, really nicely done. If I, as somebody who has a tiny list, is able to actually make sales, I did make sales using this thing, and also I was able to actually get more subscribers using this thing. If I can do it, anybody can do it. It's just dead simple, and it works. Please, if you have not done so already, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, be notified about when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribers don't really mean much here on YouTube anymore. And I will see you on the next video.